I'm celebrating my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, and I thought you might like me to take you behind the scenes and share how much I made my first year on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers and how I did it. Because my approach has been different than a lot of YouTubers. And at the end of the day, I made more money working on YouTube part-time than some people make working full-time at their regular jobs. And I did it without doing most of the things that YouTubers do. No sponsorships, no course sales, no merch or Patreon. In fact, my channel wasn't even monetized, which means that I didn't earn any revenue from ads either. So if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube without 1,000 subscribers, all I ask is that you tap the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll break it down for you starting right now. So right now I have 3 income streams from YouTube, and I'm working on adding a 4th, hopefully this year. The one I'm adding is the one that most people typically focus on first, which is a recipe for struggle and frustration. When most people think about how to make money on YouTube, they immediately think about earning ad revenue. In case you weren't aware of this, here's how it works. You've probably seen how YouTube will sometimes show ads before a video, right? And sometimes even in the middle of a video. Well, advertisers pay for those spots, and then YouTube will split the money with you once your channel is eligible for something called monetization. So how do you get your channel monetized? Well, you need to have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 total hours of watch time on your videos over the last 12 months. Once your channel is monetized, YouTube splits the ad revenue with you. YouTube keeps 45% and gives you 55%, which I think is pretty cool. Now, how much you'll actually make depends a lot on what kind of videos you make and where in the world your audience lives, since some niches are more profitable than others. But according to a study I read based on over 100 channels, the average revenue paid to YouTube creators was $6.40 per 1,000 views. That means in order to earn $6,400 in ad revenue, you would need 1 million views on your videos. My channel got about 25,000 views in the first year, so even if I had been monetized, that would only be about $160 in ad revenue for the year. Woohoo! I mean, don't get me wrong, I'll take it. I happily welcome money in all denominations. My point is, it's hard to make a ton of money in ad revenue when you're first getting started. But fortunately, you don't have to have your channel monetized to start making money right away, potentially even from the very first video you upload. So the first income stream that I focused on was selling my own high-end premium program, because in my experience, this is the quickest and most effective way to make a significant amount of money with a new YouTube channel. Here's how it works. If you want to offer a program for $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 and up, it's going to be hard to do that directly from a YouTube video. So you need some kind of enrollment system, usually a free or low-cost consultation or a live event. So in your YouTube videos, you promote the consultation or event, right? And then in that consultation or event, you make an offer for your high-end program if it's a fit. In my case, I host an awesome online event called Financial Freedom 101, where in just 3 days, you'll get the tools to become financially free forever. The tuition for that event is $497 on my website. And occasionally I'll make an offer in one of my YouTube videos where I'll put a special link in the description, giving people a chance to attend for only $97 as a seat deposit, which they get back after the event. So it's really a full scholarship. I'll model that for you here. When you go to this special page, financialfreedom101online.com, you can get a full scholarship to my event as long as it's available. This serves 2 purposes. First of all, it's part of my philanthropy by providing awesome financial education. And it's also part of my marketing because some of the people that come to the event will decide that they want to keep working with me through my Financial Freedom Accelerator program, which is my main premium program. In my first year on YouTube, about $25,000 came from this first income stream. The second biggest income stream in my first year was from clients wanting to hire me directly from my YouTube videos, which is really fun because it feels like clients are just coming out of the blue. But actually, of course, it's not really out of the blue. It's because I've been consistently providing value through my weekly videos. And as people watch them, they get to know me and want to work with me, right? And one of the reasons I wanted to launch this channel is because video is a really awesome way to connect and build relationships, right? I mean, when your potential clients can see you and hear you, they get more of a feel for your personality and energy than if they were just reading your blog or reading your email newsletter, right? And I've had this experience as a client too. I signed up for Graham Stephan's YouTube course and his mentorship program straight from links in his videos before I ever talked to him in person. And my friend Karen McMullen did a series of videos on her YouTube channel about being a manifester in human design, which I am, if you're not familiar with human design. It's really interesting. After seeing those videos, I was ready to book a VIP one-on-one session with her. I didn't need a free consultation or a webinar. I was like, here's my money, let's do it. I'll link in the description to her channel in case you want to check it out and learn more about human design. So in my first year on YouTube, about $5,100 came from clients hiring me directly from my YouTube videos, either reaching out to me about how we could work together or signing up for programs from a link right in the description. Then my third income stream is one that a lot of YouTubers do use. And I like this a lot because even though it might not generate a ton of money really quickly, I think it's really fun and easy and it can really add up over time. So that's affiliate and referral programs. This is where you become an affiliate of another person or company that you believe in, and you promote their products and services in your YouTube videos. You can include affiliate links in the description, or if you have a version that's easy to type into your browser, you can just add text to the top of your video or the bottom of your video. One nice thing is that it's almost always free to sign up to become an affiliate, which is awesome. And sometimes you don't even need to sign up. Some apps will automatically give you a special link for referring friends that gives both you and your friend free stuff. Like you might have heard me mention in other videos that you can get 2 free stocks when you open an account with Webull when you use the link in the description. That's the referral link that Webull automatically gave me when I created my account. I love this so much because it's a total win-win-win. You get 2 free stocks, I get a free stock, and Webull gets introduced to a new potential customer that might decide they like the app enough to keep using it. So it's all goodness all the way around. It's a little tricky to figure out exactly how much affiliate income I've made just from YouTube because YouTube isn't the only place that I promote these things. And I don't have any way of seeing if one of my referrals clicked my affiliate link from one of my YouTube videos or from sharing on Facebook or something else like that. And then on top of that, some of my affiliate or referral income comes in the form of free stocks or free cryptocurrency. And the value of those things are constantly fluctuating unless I convert them over to dollars, right? So based on a snapshot of the current values when I was planning this video, and assuming half of that came from YouTube, I've earned a little over $700 from this third income stream. And that'll become more valuable as the markets go up over time and I continue to earn passive income on my crypto. And if you're thinking, wait, what? How do you earn passive income on your crypto? I'll link in the description to my video on exactly how to do that. So altogether, that's about $30,800 in income from my first year on YouTube. Not bad, considering that works out to an extra $2,500 a month working very part-time on something super fun. Now, let's take an even deeper look because when most people talk about how much money they're making, they're talking about total revenue. But I encourage my financial coaching clients to focus on profit. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep, right? One of the cool things about YouTube is that it's a legit and proven way to create passive income streams with no money down. I mean, it's free to start a YouTube channel. You can record videos on your computer or phone, and most computers come with free video editing software, so you are all set. But that's not what I did. I knew I didn't have the time or bandwidth to produce and edit the kind of videos that I wanted to create all on my own. And so what I did is I hired a team to help me, including a videographer, an assistant videographer, and a professional hair and makeup artist, as well as asking my marketing director to help me with some of the research, planning, and marketing of the videos. So each 10 to 15 minute video costs about $500 to produce. So for the whole year, that's $26,000. When you subtract that from the $30,800 in income, that takes me to $4,800 in profit. But wait a sec. There are costs associated with delivering those programs that I sold. And in this case, that was fortunately only about $500 in hard costs, not including my time to deliver the programs. So that takes my profit down to $4,300 for the year, or $353 a month. Not as inspiring. But honestly, I didn't expect to make any profit my first year on YouTube. When I embarked on this journey, I was fully prepared to just kiss that $26,000 goodbye, plus my time, into creating something new. So I was pretty happy to not only break even, but actually make a little money. Now, would I keep investing this much of my time for that amount of income? No, but I create most of my videos to be evergreen, which means that most people will continue to go back and watch them. For example, the video I posted about how to find unclaimed money got 141 views in the first week. But now it's gotten up to over 1,600 views, and it keeps getting consistent views every single week. So the way I see it is that every video I create is an asset that can continue to make me more income over time. Just like starting your investment account with a few dollars, it might not seem exciting at first, but there's a compounding effect. There's a snowball effect to having a YouTube channel, similar to earning compound interest in your investment account. For example, my mentor in the YouTube space started his channel about 4 years ago, and he now makes over $1 million a year just from ad revenue. That's exciting! But even if I never get to that level, even if my channel never even gets monetized, I have a whole bunch of what I think are really beautiful and valuable videos that I can continue to share and repurpose and leverage. If you appreciate this level of transparency and me sharing these actual numbers, please make sure to tap the like button on this video. And if you're curious about what I've learned in my first year on YouTube, including the 5 things that have surprised me the most, then check out this video next.